የምግብ ሉዓላዊነት እናረጋግጥ ሲባል አምርተን
Ethiopia is undergoing a significant economic shift. The country is moving towards a more open and market-oriented economy. This transformation is being supported by the International Monetary Fund, or IMF. The IMF is providing financial assistance and technical expertise to help Ethiopia achieve its economic goals. This partnership is crucial for Ethiopia's future prosperity. The IMF's involvement signifies confidence in Ethiopia's reform efforts. It also highlights the country's commitment to sustainable and inclusive growth. Ethiopia's economic transformation aims to benefit all its citizens. This involves creating jobs, reducing poverty, and attracting foreign investment. Ethiopia faces challenges common to developing countries. These include poverty, inequality, and a lack of infrastructure. However, the government is committed to addressing these issues. The partnership with the IMF is a testament to this commitment. Ethiopia's economic transformation is a work in progress. However, the IMF's support provides a vital boost. The country's commitment to reform, coupled with international assistance, offers hope for a brighter future. The success of Ethiopia's economic transformation has implications for the entire region. The Extended Credit Facility, or ECF, is a lending program designed by the IMF. This program provides financial assistance to countries facing balance of payments problems. Ethiopia secured a 4-year ECF arrangement in 2024. This arrangement is worth $3.4 billion and aims to support the country's economic reform agenda. The ECF program focuses on several key areas. These include macroeconomic stabilization, structural reforms, and poverty reduction. The program's objective is to help Ethiopia achieve sustainable and inclusive growth. This means ensuring that the benefits of economic growth are shared by all citizens. The ECF provides a financial lifeline for Ethiopia. This allows the government to implement reforms and invest in critical sectors. These sectors include infrastructure, education, and healthcare. By investing in these areas, Ethiopia can create jobs and improve the lives of its people. The ECF is not just about providing money, it also involves close collaboration between the IMF and the Ethiopian government. This collaboration ensures that reforms are implemented effectively and efficiently. The ultimate goal is to create a more prosperous and equitable Ethiopia. Ethiopia has made notable progress in implementing the IMF-supported reform program. The country has taken concrete steps to address macroeconomic imbalances and promote economic stability. This progress has been recognized by the IMF, leading to the disbursement of funds under the ECF arrangement. In November 2024, the IMF reached a staff-level agreement with Ethiopia. This agreement paves the way for the disbursement of an additional $251 million. This follows an earlier disbursement of $340.7 million in October 2024. These disbursements demonstrate the IMF's confidence in Ethiopia's reform efforts. The funds disbursed under the ECF are being used to support Ethiopia's budget and strengthen its foreign exchange reserves. These funds are also being channeled towards social safety net programs. This ensures that vulnerable segments of the population are protected during the reform process. Ethiopia's commitment to reform and the IMF's continued support provide a solid foundation for future progress. The country's economic outlook remains positive, with sustained growth projected in the coming years. However, continued efforts are needed to address remaining challenges and ensure that the benefits of growth reach all Ethiopians. One of the most significant reforms undertaken by Ethiopia is the transition to a market-determined exchange rate. This move signifies a shift away from a fixed exchange rate regime. It is a bold step towards a more open and market-oriented economy. The liberalization of the exchange rate has several benefits. Firstly, it helps to address foreign exchange shortages. Secondly, it makes Ethiopian exports more competitive in the global market. Lastly, it attracts foreign investment by creating a more predictable and transparent business environment. The transition to a market-determined exchange rate has had a positive impact on Ethiopia's economy. The spread between the official and parallel market exchange rates has narrowed significantly. This indicates a move towards a more unified exchange rate system. Additionally, there has been an increase in interbank foreign exchange trading. The move to a market-determined exchange rate is a positive step. However, it is important to manage the transition carefully. The government has implemented measures to mitigate any potential negative impacts, such as increased inflation. These measures aim to ensure a smooth transition to a more market-oriented exchange rate system.
This is the journey to One Africa.